Welcome to EP Laser's Frequently Asked Questions video. This question is often asked about the burn along the edges of the cuts of the product. This happens regularly. It's actually not a burn, it's a residue that's laid down by the laser. As the laser burns through the material, of course smoke and all kinds of stuff comes up, but this is laid back down when we're pulling the air off. It really does come off pretty easy. The easiest way to do it is to get a piece of sandpaper. This is 150 grit. You can use maybe 120, 150, 220. 220 will take a little bit longer to get it off, but it'll still work. So the thing that I do is just take it, set it down, just work it back and forth. Check it, see how it's doing. Keep going until it disappears. Pretty much all of it is off now. Sometimes on the back we'll get flashing from the grid that we use to cut on. Same thing happens with that. If you want to take it off, just take it and sand it. And you'll just keep doing this until you get it the way you'd like it to look. If you're going to paint, you can paint over the burn. It's not going to hurt anything, but if you want to take the burn off, if you want to do some staining or something like that, then of course sand it. And there's the differences. Thank you for watching.